Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2026. This is Tina, TLC Travels, Tours, and Cruises. Just checked into the Hilton Garden Inn in Washington, D.C., the capital area Hilton Garden Inn. Anyway, quick review. This is a double something. I can't remember. I'm tired. I've been traveling all day. Hubby and I came through on Amtrak, so we were on a 10-hour train ride. And I just wanted to quickly show you where room 606, this is the view. This is First Street in the NoMa area. And this is where we are for the next few days before we take the next leg of our long trip. All right. Milt just returned with some ice. We're right next door to Harris Teeter. It is a great location. My young adults live right around the corner from here. And this is it. I must say I cannot give it a plus because they don't have a handheld shower. They have an old style shower, and I'm hoping when they do decide to renovate that they will consider the convenience in the bathroom of having a handheld shower. Anyway, lights here and regular typical bathroom, hotel bathroom, but that is a minus right there. All right, that is it. Wrapping this up. Room 606, which means we're on the 6th floor. And that's it. Goodbye. Peace.